Okay, what we want to look at today in this video is trying to find the addition of two fractions. Now, we're going to look at a fraction here. We'll have the fraction of 2/6 and 3/6. And we want to add these two together. So what we want to do is start looking at, well, what does 2/6 look like? So there would be 1/6, there's 2/6 there. And then we're going to add to that 3/6. There we got 1, 2, 3, 6 there. Now, what we want to do once we've seen how many 6 we've actually got in each of the two fractions, how many have we got altogether? If we count them up, that would give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're trying to find how many 6 we've got altogether. If we've got 2/6 and 3/6, so 2/6, and we add 3/6 together to it, it's going to give us 5/6 all up, because we can count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what we want to do is pay a bit of attention to what we've got here. When we've got 2/6 and 3/6, what we've got is the 6 in the denominator being the same. And that's one of the important parts of this, is that we've got to look and say our denominators have got to be the same when we're doing addition of fractions. So we've got all 6 here, so it's not a problem. We don't have to do any other work to start off with. But what we need to do is make sure we don't change the denominators here. So the denominator stays the same. Notice that we've got a 6th here in our denominator all the way through. So it doesn't change our denominator in this part. So the numerators we add up together, because we can count up how many 6s we actually have. But when we write it out in our algorithmic form, we don't actually change our denominator there. The denominator has to be the same to add them, and it stays the same in our answer. We don't suddenly become 5/12. And that's a common error that we see. Like I would often see people write that as 5/12. Because they start to add the numerators, which they know they have to, but then add the denominators. 5/12 is a lot different. If you have a look how big 5/12 is, there's our 12s number line. 5/12 would be a lot different, it'd be a lot smaller, because you can see up here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/12, as opposed to 5/6, so which would be that amount. So you can see it's a big difference in there. So do not add our denominators at any stage. Keep your denominators the same. And if we do that, we should hopefully find our addition all the time correctly.